What's up, you guys? Dano here. We're out here at Barren River Lake in Kentucky. I got Lucas Bogosian with me. He was passing through and he hit me up. He said, Dan, I'm passing through. Let's go catch some fish and eat it. So we're gonna do a catch, clean, and cook today.
I'm super excited to be here, man. Catch, clean, and cook, something totally different, something we don't do too often, but I'm excited to experience it. Hit it with the Danos, a little bit of pop. I've never fished here before, 900 miles away, so I'm pumped to be here, and thanks for having me, Dan.
Yes,
I appreciate
sir.
it, man.
Let's go catch a big one.
All right, so the rig we're using today is a drop shot rig. So when you're drop shotting, it's super important. You see I have the braid, and then I got a swivel right there, and that swivel, what that does is that prevents line twists. A lot of guys will tie an FG knot straight to this line right here, but what happens after a while is you get line twists and you break the line and that fish comes off. So you want that swivel up there like that. You got the BOGO braid, that's my personal braid for sensitivity, and then you have a 10-pound leader right here. This is some high seas, it's good stuff, and 3/8 ounce weight, little minnow. You can use a bunch of different baits. I like a swim bait or a little minnow like that, and that's a 1/0 hook. So there you go, drop shot fishing.
We're about an hour in. We haven't caught anything yet. We're going to a new spot. All right, so far we're about an hour and a half in. We got 3 fish on the Cinco and 1 on the spinner bait, but none of them are worth keeping. But now we're all fishing Cincos, and we're just going down this bank. You can see we got the shade right here. It's like 10 in the morning, so we're just gonna keep going down this bank. And as we keep going down the bank, the fish are gonna get bigger. Can't really see, but as it's doing it, it's waddling. It's a water waddler. Today we're out here throwing water waddlers. We're fishing with the Cinco. It was more wacky style. That's the water waddling. Now it's going to more come through when I pull it, it's going to more like dart through because I'm pulling it. It's coming like that. So we're going to call this the old water dart.
AKA the Texas rig.
With one bait, you can either throw a dart or a waddler. I think we're eating.
I think we're eating right there. A little bit, let's see. It's gonna be close. Oh my gosh. Look at that, I told you, barely touches. I guess my accuracy is pretty good. Barely. Look at that, Dan.
Oh yeah, that's 12. We can eat it.
My accuracy, 12 exactly, right there for the catch and cook.
Okay. Whoa, grip and rip.
Nice one, kid. Thick one.
That's a keeper. All right, so we're getting close to being done. Oh, look at that. I was getting ready to say, it's about time to go eat. Now we got more food.
Right there, you see that? We're on the line. I repeat, we are on the line. 12. Oh my God.
All right, now we worked up our appetite. We got a couple fish. Let's go fillet them up, put some Danos on it. Let's get there. Let's go find us a cooking spot. When filleting your fish, you need a super sharp knife. Now we're gonna go on and fast forward to the end when we start to cook, because you're gonna wanna see that part. Look at that. I'd say I did pretty good. Thank you, Made In, for the nice knife. Now we got our fillets. Let's rinse them off. You're gonna need you a cast iron pan, one of these cooking apparatuses, a fork, half a stick of butter, put it in a Ziploc bag because it's gonna melt on you. And then all you need is the spicy Danos. It's gonna make the best fish you ever had. Let's get cooking. Put us up a little wind blocker, spicy Danos, and we're simply just gonna cover this fish just like this. That's all you gotta do. Remember y'all, Danos, it's not packed full of salt. It's real ingredients, real herbs and spices, so you can use more, get the actual flavor cooked into the food. It's not just a bunch of flavored salt, so we're cooking with real ingredients here. So that's why I use more. Now let's throw our butter in. Then we season the other side. Get that nice little herb crust on there. Look at that. That's what we're talking about, baby. And now we're eating.
Wow.
Flaking right apart.
Fresh right out of the lake.
There's
with some
you.
fresh Danos. Look at that.
Look at
Wow.
Bam.
Wow. That's much better than I thought it would be. Holy cow.
This is only my second time in my life having largemouth bass. Probably one of my favorite fish.
Wow.
Not fishy at all. Got a super awesome texture to it. Look at that. 100% the yum get you some.
Wow, I'm actually shocked. Second time. I've never eat bass because I'm a pro bass fisherman. We throw the big ones back, but we decided to keep a couple little ones. This is almost as good as walleye. It's like the same fish. Wow, delicious,
Amazing.
Dan, delicious.
All right, Lucas.
It's been a pleasure, man. It's been an absolute pleasure. Had a blast down here.
You guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button. Leave some comments. Let us know what you think. We'll see you next time, my friends. Keep sprinkling.
See you next time.